11th edition of International Defense Exhibition and Seminar, Ideas 2022. I am grateful to the worthy guests and dignitaries from participating countries, foreign and domestic exhibitors, OEMs, trade visitors, and diplomats for their healthy presence to make Ideas 2022 a great success. I also warmly welcome all those who have joined us for the first time, and my profound regards to all the old friends. I assure you that it is you who make this event substantive. Distinguished guests, the development of indigenous and internationally competitive defense industry is always a strategic interest of any nation. Today, it is regarded as one of the major business in the world, alone accounting for approximately 2.2% of global GDP. On the other hand, globalization of defense industry has also changed the geography of innovation with new players, markets, partners, and opportunities. New strategic alliances ranging from consortia to joint ventures have become the norm of the day, both in the domestic and foreign industry. In the regional context, prevailing politico-military realities have further accentuated our desire to develop an agile and innovative defense industry, not only as an instrument of peace and stability, but also for its rightful contribution towards socio-economic development of the country. Pakistan has the potential to emerge as a global platform for defense, research, scientific growth, manufacturing, and joint ventures in order to strengthen our defense capabilities and support developments as well as exports in this sector. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's defense industries today comprises of a wide range of technologies, well-trained human resource, and infrastructure, not only to meet its own defense requirement, but also export to international defense markets. While major defense products are manufactured by the government,